What's up everyone, welcome back to another installation video. I am doing the bumper lights. So a quick guide as to how to run these. I connected mine in the fuse box. So this connector, put it right here, and that's the spot. Put that in there. This is my ground right here. I'm gonna connect it up here. So I ran it through the engine bay. I took it outside through the door here. So let's go outside. So now we're outside, and this is the wire. So this is gonna be hanging down right off here. So the way I connected it is gonna be working off of the headlight sensor. That sensor right there. And it only gonna come on when it's dark. So during the daytime, only these are gonna be running. Once it senses darkness, then the ones down here will come on. That way, why I did it this way is because if I connected them from the headlight, which is here, if I should remote start the car, they would come on, and I do not want that because somebody would know your car is running. All right, guys. So this is it's all the stuff you gotta remove. And underneath, that's a screw, clip, screw, clip. Underneath the fender, you got screw. So this one, that one is up under, it's up under here somewhere. Yeah, right under here. I'm kind of have to strip these parts out so that these parts slide in better. Alright, so remember wires. These are the connectors I'm using. I will be changing these in the future to something like this that's waterproof. But for now, I'm just gonna use this and tape it and call it a day. This is that end. And over here, I did the same thing. There, down there. So I ran it, so it's gonna be hanging. So I ran it through here. As you can see right down here. Took it all the way across behind the headlight and down in there. And came out back here. So I'm gonna go ahead and zip tie that right there and over the next side. And then plug everything in and fit it back together. Alright everybody, this is how it is. I just kind of tape everything now. Same thing on the other side. Check it out, guys. And all I have to do is turn that switch off and everything shuts off. There we go. Everything is off.